what I would say is one of the main takeaways I have from all of that is, in particular in energy and climate tech, it's especially important to ask those kinds of questions around what is it that's motivating you, what does a win look like for you early on, because those kinds of technologies, how many folks in the room are interested in potentially doing something in climate tech or in energy? Got a few hands in the air. So bringing forward a climate or energy technology could take decades. One of the main inspirations we had when I was founding Activate was a guy named Dick Swanson, who co-founded a company called SunPower. SunPower is one of the only successes we could point to a new technology that was developed in the lab that really reached a large scale of impact. And it took him about 30 years from when he was working on that in the lab to when it was actually commercialized and at scale. So imagine spending a third of your life working on something. You really want to understand what a win looks like for you, and what would it look like for that to be a win even if it wasn't successful in the end. So that was a lot of what we asked ourselves in the early days of Activate.